Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to save a pin on Pinterest using your PC, especially with the latest updates. If you've ever found a pin that you absolutely love and want to keep it for future inspiration, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Pinterest.com. Make sure you are logged into your account. If you don't have an account yet, creating one is simple and free. Once you're on the Pinterest homepage, take a moment to explore. You'll see a variety of pins displayed. Find the pin you want to save. You can scroll through your feed or use the search bar at the top of the page to look for specific topics or images. After locating the pin that catches your eye, click on it to open it up. This will bring you to a detailed view where you can see more information about the pin, including its description and any related links. Now that you have the pin open, look for the Save button. This is typically located near the top of the pin's detail view. Click on this button to save the pin directly to one of your boards. If you're saving it for later inspiration, choose a board that fits the theme of the pin, or create a new board if necessary. Once you've selected your board, confirm by clicking on Save Again. And there you have it. You've successfully saved a pin on Pinterest using your PC. This simple process allows you to curate your own collection of ideas and inspirations effortlessly. Remember, Pinterest is all about creativity and discovery. So feel free to explore different boards and pins as you build your personal library of inspiration. Happy pinning!